Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Farisha Elena binti Karul Hisham. My matrix number is 01GKA20F1073 and these are my group members. Nurmala binti Muhammad, Nur Adriana binti Ishamuddin and Julia Farhana binti Ahmad Nizam. Today, we will present about falling head test. The objective of this test is to determine the coefficient of permeability of sand, silt and clay using permeable meter column change. In the falling head test, a relatively short sample is connected to a standpipe which provides both head of water and the means of measuring the quantity of water flowing through the sample. Several standpipes of different diameters are normally available and kita boleh pilih untuk uji kaji ni kita nak gunakan meter yang mana mengikut kesesuaian bahan uji kaji tersebut. In permeability test on clays, much higher hydraulic gradients that are normally used with sands can be applied and are often necessary to induce any measurable flow. The cohesion of clays provides resistance to failure by piping gradient of up to several hundred, even under quite low confining or surcharge pressure.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Julia Farhana binti Ahmad Nizam. My matric number is 01DKA20F1075. Today I will explain about apparatus and procedure. In this experiment, we use 7 apparatus which is permeable meter, fine sand, water, balance, stopwatch, rubber tube and graduated cylinder. Furthermore, I will explain about the procedure of this experiment. After the preparation of the soil sample is complete, mix the soil with water and mix well. Then, we need to prepare the installation of permeable meter. So now, we are going to put the prepared soil sample in a mold and compact the soil. Then, on the top of the porous material and start installing the permeability cell cover by applying the grease. After installing, measure the length of the soil specimen and connect the rubber tube to the permeability meter. Remove the fitting on the permeability cell and connect the fitting to the standpipe tube. Then connect C2 to the bottom valve of the permeability cell. Sew the bottom receiver with water to fill the soil and remove all bubbles from the system. Adjust the water level at the bottom of the receiver to match the height of the water in the vertical pipe tube. Inject air into the standing pipe and record the initial height of the water in the vertical pipe tube. And finally, open the valve and let the water flow to the permeability cell for a certain period of time and measure the final height of the water in the vertical pipe tube.
Next, I will continue this presentation with safety awareness and discipline in laboratory. First thing first, we must know emergency exit routes. Second, Avoid skin and eye contact with all chemicals. After that, minimize all chemical exposures. Then, no horseplay will be tolerated. Lastly, assume that all chemicals of unknown toxicity are highly toxic.
Hai, nama saya Normala binti Muhammad and nombor menteri 1068. Saya akan membentangkan tentang data field head test. Pertama, sampel diameter. Sampel diameter ialah 99.21 mm. Sampel area 7730.38 mm kuasa 2. Seterusnya, sampel length ialah 129.84 mm. Sampel volume pula ialah 1003.7 cm kuasa 3. Mass of mode ialah 960 gram. Mass of sample ialah 1860 gram. Apabila di total mass of sample tambah mode ialah dapat 28,020 gram. Seterusnya, boat density. Boat density ialah kita dapat 16.43 kN per meter kuasa 3. Seterusnya, dry density. Dry density dapat 14.94 kN per meter kuasa 3. Seterusnya, standpipe diameter dapat 4.5 mm. Standpipe area pula ialah 12.88 mm. Seterusnya ialah bacaan untuk 4 test. Yang pertama, masa yang diambil ialah 0.48 minit. H1 ialah 933.6 mm dan H2 833.6. Test kedua pula ialah mengambil masa 1 minit 5 saat. H1 dapat ialah 833.6 dan H2 733.6. Test ketiga pula adalah mengambil masa 1 minit 60 saat. Nilai untuk H1 adalah 733.6 dan H2 633.6. Test yang terakhir pula ialah mengambil masa 2 minit 22 saat dan nilai untuk H1 dan H2 adalah 633.6 dan 533.6. Seterusnya adalah analisis data. Formula bagi eksperimen field head test adalah K sama dengan 2.30 AL bahagi 1000 kali A darat 60 T log 10 H1 bahagi H2 dalam kurungan M per H. Okey, memandangkan 4 test yang dilakukan. Test pertama adalah K1. K1 nilai yang dapat adalah 8.51 kali 10 negatif 7 M per H. K2 pula adalah 4.39 kali 10 negatif 7 indeks negatif 7 M per H. K3 pula adalah 3.30 kali 10 indeks negatif 7 M per H. Dan test terakhir adalah K4, 2.79 kali 10 negatif 7 M per H nilainya.
Hi, my name is Nur Adara Shamuddin. My magic number is 01DK20F1003. So for today, I'm going to explain about discussion for falling head test adalah bertujuan untuk kita determine the permeability of soils of intermediate and low permeability, which is less than 10 to 4 ms. And by doing this experiment, we knew that silt soil lebih moisture, which is lebih lembab lah berbanding dengan tanah yang berpasir tu. But silt soil ni dia lebih compacted compared to tanah biasa. Okay, so as a conclusion, we can be able to describe the general accepted practice to determine the coefficient of permeability of silt and clay. And by doing this experiment, kita dapat mengenal pastilah hubungan antara silt dan juga clay ni. Selain itu, kita juga akan measure coefficient between these two, iaitu between silt dan juga clay ni. Okay, and permeability ni, dia can be defined as the ability of porous medium. Porous medium ni apa? Porous medium ni adalah satu bahan yang mempunyai void spaces, macam saluran lah, macam tu kan, yang membenarkan aliran melaluinya.